Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can turn off notifications on Signal. So what you want to do is go left top corner to the profile, and right here you're going to see notifications on under SMS and MMS. Click on that, and right here you can enable or disable notifications, or you can enable vibrate, LED color, in-chat sounds, and then the priority. Or you can have calls, you can disable notifications or events, and this is pretty much it. So I'll just change the theme to light. So again, you are in Signal, go to left top corner to settings, notifications, and disable them. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.